Hey guys, okay. Today we're gonna be playing some more Phantom Forces, and we're gonna be playing Phantom Forces for the next few days now, and I'll be gonna do some live streams later on. Maybe I might do, but yeah, just gonna do a Phantom Forces video today. Not really much to do. There's another game I want to play. I'm gonna do this after, but well, that after, anyways. But right now, we're just gonna be playing some Phantom Forces, and we're gonna have some fun. See the server to load, and also, guys, please like and subscribe the video. You can't subscribe the video. You can only like the video and subscribe, and hit the notification bell to get notified whenever I post a video. Yeah, we're gonna be playing some Phantom Forces. Also, I'm learning how to edit. As you can see, I have a new front cover. Whenever this comes out, I'll have a actual front cover than a normal thing in the game. So, just be messing around with the stuff. It's very normal. Ooh, start a case key. I don't really need that. I'm gonna deploy. Ooh, like this. Okay, guys, I have to protect the space. Okay. Wait. Oh my gosh, why, man? Okay. That guy was like really. I didn't see that guy. I was gonna shoot him anyway. Oh my gosh, I didn't see him there. Oh my gosh. Oh my, today's not my day, guys. I'm gonna switch my gun. Oh my goodness. Really? You gotta be kidding me. He's right there again. Gonna go around this time. I thought I killed him and was my teammate, whatever. I've died like twice as much. Over twice I have killed people, which is pretty sad. But I wouldn't expect to do that good in the game because I'm not the best at the game. Because I've only played for like a year or so. Well, I played before, but this is my new account, and I haven't played for a while this game. I had another account when I played, and that was like a few years ago. That's when what just happened. Watch your head. What? Oh, you gotta be kidding me. That was a good run. To be honest, that was a pretty good shot. Okay, gonna be good. No, not going that way. I'm going that way. Okay, this is good. I don't know why I like using pistols in this game. Sometimes I like using pistols, but I do use my actual guns, or actually like. Okay, heal up, guys. Sorry, I'm quiet. I'm still focusing on doing another live stream today. Sorry, I'm quiet again. I'm just really trying hard to focus, but it is pretty hard to focus when I'm talking. I sure you guys understand that with one new game, but yeah, there's not really much to talk about in this game really. But as you can see, we are just trying to get good at the game, trying to get kills. This is what this video is all about, just playing some Phantom Forces. There's no goal or anything, but, you know, what are you doing? Did that thing? Oh. Should we, like, capture their base or something? I'm gonna capture their base. Dun, 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 dun. So close to covering the base. You could do it. I think I can capture the base. If you want your wife to listen to you, then talk to another woman. She'll be all ears. Okay. Yeah, today guys, we're just gonna be playing some Phantom Forces, not for any goal or anything, just to like have fun, mess around. No, just that. Original Phantom Forces. I will be doing a live stream on Phantom Forces like tomorrow, but maybe today. Don't know, but today, this week is just being a bunch of Phantom Forces because Phantom Forces because I have to catch up on the game. I'm only rank 4. 4 was a good rank, but you know, things have changed. You can't keep you can't keep that the concentration forever. You have to talk sometimes. But another thing is, the only reason I don't have my another account back is because I forgot the password. That's pretty obvious for some people nowadays. But forgetting password is really simple to do. Like, all you're doing is forgetting something. Oh, okay. That was a good shot, man. That was a really good shot. Sometimes these guns are way too OP. Some like the Jade Key. That's not a gun, but still, the Jade Key is really OP. I don't like you run so fast with it. I'm not even kidding. Like you're like a demon. You're like you can't see anyone if you use the Jade Key. You're unstoppable. I killed the guy, no way. Oh, Oh, that was a. How did he? There's no third person in this game, is there? Yeah, there isn't. That would be insane if there was a third person. You would like that would be unbeatable. We're gonna travel in the squad, you know. Look at our squad with I don't know any other names. Sorry, guys. My mate. I did everyone. Me. Okay. Okay, Remington. Everyone's using Remingtons nowadays. Honey Badger was my go-to weapon. It was unbeatable. If I had Honey Badger and I saw you, you would die. Like, you'd be instant knocked out. I'm not even kidding. What was that? What did I do? Oh my gosh, this guy's ranked 105. Some of these people grind at this game. We've been playing for years, man. I think Phantom Forces came out around like 2 years ago or something. And for me, that's a long time. Because if you've been playing Roblox for a while, you can see that Phantom Forces is a good game. Like a really good game. And then if someone just like, whoa, I didn't see you, I didn't see you. Nope, no, oh my gosh, this is taking forever to reload. Okay, it's just kind of scary. Whoa. Oh, I didn't see that. I was looking at something, sorry. Well, they just like came in and destroyed all of us. That was pretty insane. No, to be honest, like, you know, the enemy team still compliment them. Like, it's not nice to not, because they're doing really, really well, and they just like, you take it as nothing. They're not doing good or something. But oh wow, this is a lot easier to get because everyone's out there. I'm just gonna wait here, see if someone comes past. I'm not gonna stay too close because they can see your gun through the wall. You know what I mean? But like, I see you, man. I see you. Oh, he got me. It's a pretty good. That's a pretty good spot. If you're in this map and you have to defend a hill, go to that area. It's actually kind of good for like camping and stuff. Something. Oh my gosh, I see this guy. How does he not? He can't see me, right? I know he can see me. Oh, yeah, he died anyway. See the guy up there. I'm not gonna bother killing him. It's gonna head for the hill. You know how it is, cause that's not what it's voted off of. It's voted off you ever like not most kills, but like the hill, you know. So if I had a choice between killing a bunch of people, I'd actually just go for the hill, like to win the game. But sometimes I like messing around, doing some dumb challenges with some people. Well, that's what I used to do sometimes with friends on Roblox, but like, not like a few years ago, not before I knew any of my other friends actually played Roblox. Most of my friends do play Roblox, and I didn't even know they played Roblox, to be honest with you. I keep doing that. I'm gonna go in here. Oh man, I need to read it. Oh, that was good. That was good. Okay. Okay. That was a good shot, man. That was nice. Anyways, I'm sorry if I'm not talking because I'm gonna stop like concentrating. So please don't mind if I'm like not talking because I want to concentrate. It's hard to win these Random Forces games when someone. 99 health. I just hate it when like someone's up to like their last bit of health and then they kill you. You know that? Like, it's so annoying. But if you're like on this map and you get killed, it's not really that surprising because this map is really easy to get around. It's really easy just to shoot people like that. Some sniper. You know what I mean? But in other cases. Okay, come on. Goodness sake. This was hard. Come. Oh! You gotta be kidding me. Give me the Glock? Gosh. Yeah, I should have like peeked out there. I see what I did. Okay. I like it how they have the hit when we own the hill. It's orange and like so we're red team and they're blue team so I guess we're orange team and they're blue team. But I like how it shows our teammates are blue and then they're red. That's pretty nice. I think what they should do is like they shouldn't if they're not your teammate, they shouldn't have the name tag because that would be like better because it would be easier because most games have like when I shoot him, I'm gonna go outside and try. Oh, that was okay. There was a bunch of people. I can't. What? Oh, he died. That's nice. I shot him. He died. Whatever. If I get an assist or something, I'm fine with that. I really am. But if it's like a dumb assist, like I shot him a billion times, but he doesn't die, and a guy shoots him. Well, that's dumb. But then it will be an account assist count as a kill, which I guess is good. I see him over there. Okay, he's dead. He's gone forever. No. Phantom Forces is a really good game. It's sad they haven't been updating for a while because everyone likes playing this game. Everyone used to anyway. People still play it, like 10,000 people. That's pretty good. You gotta admit. Like, Phantom Forces, the old game. Seriously. What? I thought I moved away. Well, I guess I did. Oh, whatever. Oof. Anyways, yeah. This is just. I'm just gonna stop concentrating now. Oh, that's good. What? No way. That's a lie. How did he see me? No way he could have saw me. It's not possible. Why don't you try going around the other way? You help. Like the way they're going. Or you can like go to their spawn or something. I don't know. Yeah, the action's all the way over here. What? Am I in here? No, I'm supposed to go in here. What was I doing? Yes, boy. No, I didn't share it the full way. You needed a hug. Well, that's it. Gonna be that's it. What did I say? That's it. Gonna be for the video. No, that's all it's gonna be for the video, guys. So, thanks for watching, guys, and I'll see you in the next one. Please like and subscribe. Oh, what happened? Well, please like and subscribe, and thank you for watching, guys, and see you in the next one.